DNA, also known as deoxyribonucleic acid, is a carrier for all genetic information. Watson and Crick studied it and reported that it was a double helix structure that runs anti-parallel, meaning 5' to 3' and 5' to 3'. It is composed of 4 nitrogenous bases, deoxyribose sugar, and phosphate groups. In the middle of the DNA, there are nitrogenous bases, adenine and guanine, which are classified as purines, and cytosine and thymine, which are pyrimidines. They pair complementary with each other, meaning adenine and thymine can only pair together, and cytosine and guanine can only pair together. They are connected by hydrogen bonds. Adenine and thymine have 2, and cytosine and guanine have 3. The main force that holds DNA together are the hydrophobic interactions between these base pairs. When the DNA is coiled up into a double helix, the base pairs stack on each other and form a force that holds it together. On the outside of the DNA, which is the hydrophilic portion, there's a deoxyribose sugar with 5 carbons. The difference between RNA and DNA is this deoxyribose sugar. Here on the second carbon, it only has a hydrogen bonded to it, while a ribose sugar found in RNA has an OH group right here. This is why the sugar is called deoxyribose. Also, there are 3' and 5' carbons which can bond to the phosphate groups, as you can see here. These bonds are called phosphodiester bonds, and they are the backbone of the DNA. The 5' binds to the phosphate, and the 3' can bind to the adjacent phosphate group. DNA also is composed of major and minor grooves. On the coil where the backbones are closer together is called the minor groove, and where they're further apart is the major groove. The major groove is important because it allows more proteins to bind with the nitrogenous bases. DNA also can be considered left and right-handed. This picture is a picture of right-handed DNA because the grooves go up and to the right, and this is left-handed DNA because the backbone goes up and to the left. Here I have several examples of DNA that is left-handed because the backbone, you can see, goes up to the left. This goes to the left. This is pointed to the left. This backbone is to the left, and this one goes to the left.